past summer we've had a blast riding our mountain bikes, a full suspension Trek Fuel X8 and a hardtail Trek Stache 5 seen here, on some great trails and features here in the Midwest, while working on improving our skills, which will hopefully continue to evolve as we get more experience under our belts. Here is some of that footage. Enjoy. This is our Trek Stache 5 hardtail, which has a 21.5-inch frame and has provided me with a comfortable ride on many of the mountain bike trails we have encountered this summer. Last fall we removed the tubes on this bike and converted the tires to tubeless, which we hope to show in another video in the near future. We also completed the tubeless conversion on our Trek Fuel X8 as well. This has allowed us to run lower tire pressures for a softer ride and landings as we cruise the trails. To date, we have not had any issues and have really enjoyed the confidence it provides without having to worry about flats. Overall, this Trek Stache 5 has been a blast to ride. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to support our channel so you can continue to follow us as we put out more videos surrounding life here in our big house in the Little Woods.